If you've made a node tree in Fusion that you're going to be using a whole lot, you can put this in your templates folder. That way you don't have to recreate it from scratch every time or keep copying and pasting. To save this, highlight all your nodes, do a right click on one of your nodes, go down to settings, go to save as, call it whatever you want to. In this case, I've already labeled this. But before you get out of here, go to your address bar, copy the address bar with Control C, and then with your node saved, click save. I've already created this, so I'm not going to overwrite it. Then to actually have this as a template in Resolve, you go over to your templates tab. If you've already made a previous template, you can scroll down to the templates, do a right click on any of them, go into show folder, and then we're going to copy that template we just made into here. So hit Control N on your keyboard to open up a new Windows Explorer screen. Go to your address bar and press Control V to get us back to where we just saved our template. Find what we just saved. You can go up to date modified. That will be your most current one. Now you can copy that. It's a .setting file. Go back to your template screen and hit Control V to paste it in. You can go back to DaVinci Resolve now, and you'll see we have a new template, but we don't have a custom icon. So I also want to make a custom icon. To do this, I will open up Photoshop, or you can open up whatever image editing software you want. We're going to make an image that's 32 pixels by 32 pixels. Click Create, and we can zoom in by holding down Alt and the scroll wheel on your mouse. And I'm going to use Google Gemini to create an icon for me. So I'll go ahead and copy the image, go back into Photoshop, and paste it in with Control V. And it's way too big, so I'm going to hit Control T to shrink this down. It doesn't look very good, but I'm going to go with it. So I'm going back into Windows Explorer to where the Fusion templates are, and I'm finding what I just called my new file. I'm going to click it twice so that way I can copy the name of the file with Control C back into Photoshop. We're going to save this as a PNG, so File, Save as Copy. We'll find a PNG. I will delete the first part of the title and paste in the name of the template. And I'm going to place this in the folder with my template, so back to Windows Explorer. And I'm going to copy the address. I'll paste in what this address is in the comment. Back to Photoshop again. Go up to the Photoshop address bar and paste in your address. Click Save. Let's go with medium size. And now back to DaVinci Resolve. I will go ahead and restart DaVinci Resolve. And now that we're back in Fusion, go back to your templates, go to the bottom, and you can see that we have our icon for the new template we made. I'm going to use this a ton, so I'm going to put this in the address bar. So I'm just going to click and drag it to my address bar. And when I go to another clip, I will delete all the nodes with Control A, hit delete, and here's the new template I made. So I'm going to click it, then hit my media out, hit 1, so it'll show up on my preview, and there we go.